Good morning guys and welcome to Doncaster. 3 hours away from my house. And there's a good reason why I'm here. And I'm going to show you that in just a minute. But here's a little hint of what's to come. I've been bringing this trailer all the way up from where I live. 3 hours away and we've just about made it. I left at 4 o'clock this morning. It's now 7:30 and Copart opens in half an hour. So I'm ready. So I've made it into Copart. It's about 3 minutes to 8 now. And maybe one of these is the new car. Maybe. Who knows? So while I'm waiting for the new car to arrive, I thought I'd give you my insight on towing with this van. I've never towed with it before until today, so it was a new experience. This is a T28. 85 horsepower 1.9 TDI. I was pretty sure it was going to be slow, and I was right. Without even a car on it, just pulling the trailer, it is so slow, but it coped. I'm a bit concerned about how well it's going to do with a car on the trailer. It might take me a long time to get to the speed limit, but I digress. We're here. I need to get the car on. We're at 8:15 now. I'm just waiting for it to come out to me and then we'll go from there. Hi guys, so here it is, the new project that I've been going to be working on. It is a 2003 Golf GTI 1.8 turbo, 3-door, and I'm very happy with my purchase. So not only is it absolutely filthy, but it's got a full winter pack, so full leather seats, front and rear, they're heated, got all the buttons on the wheel. This car is fully loaded, and it's the 6-speed. So this car has done 149,000 miles. And for a 2003, I mean, it's basically a 20-year-old car. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. I can't remember what the average works out at, but I mean, over 20 years, 150, it's got to be like 8,000 miles a year or something. But on top of that, this car has only had 2 owners from new. And the first owner bought it in 2003 and sold it in 2018. So this car has had 1 owner for 15 years. I haven't owned a car for more than like 5 years, so 15 years to own 1 car is unreal. And I haven't had a chance yet to really like dig through this car and see if I can find any paperwork. There's nothing in the glove box, but I'm thinking this has probably got pretty good service history. I mean, all the MOT history looks pretty good, so I'm thinking it's probably been well looked after. And where the paintwork is good, it is absolutely immaculate. I mean, there are so few, I don't know, like there are so few little door knocks from like other people opening their doors on this car. It does have a small amount of rust here and there, just little bits that, you know, could be touched up later down the line. And of course, it's missing a wheel. I'm guessing it had a puncture or something, but I do have an original wheel in the boot. I can't open the boot, it's a bit close, but there is the original wheel in there, I assume with a puncture. So basically I paid £375 for all of this car. So we better get to the bad bits. So the bad bit is obviously this front end. It's a Cat N write-off, this car. So non-structural, but the radiator's definitely been done. It's got no coolant in it. This headlight's smashed. The bonnet, well, it actually looks worse than it did when I got it, because I've had to pull the bonnet up to do the latch because the latch was broken. Front bumper's smashed to bits. and this wing is done for as well. And what's made it even more difficult to find parts for this car is the winter pack itself, which comes with these little headlight washers, which is great, but finding a bumper with the cutouts in it for that headlight washer has been pretty difficult. But I have managed to find someone breaking a silver Golf GTI. And so I have managed to purchase an entire front end, including the rad pack and aircon unit and everything there. In that box back there is a brand new passenger side wing. I've got a driver's side wing to replace the rusty one, a whole front end with the crash bar, front bumper. However, this front bumper does not have the cutouts for the washer jets, but I googled it and you can just cut them out. So that's easy because they bolt onto the crash bar just here somewhere. I don't know where yet, I haven't had the front end off. So that, guys, is the new project. I was going to take the front end off today and replace the whole thing, but the weather is not on my side. It's absolutely poured down all day, even though it's supposed to be dry. So I'm going to try and get over here as soon as I can, rip that front end off, put the new front end on, and maybe a single video rebuild. Who knows? But anyway, that's it from me. I'll catch you guys soon. Peace out.